health decisions rarely happen in isolation. Some examples of this would be like how sunscreen connects to vitamin D, how vitamin D concerns connect to nutrition. How does nutrition connect to sleep? How does sleep affect immune function? How does immune function affect resilience? So these are things that, I like to go in more deeply with because I have the time to do that and the training to do it. And that's not something you're going to find at a regular pediatrician's office. So all of the connections about how the body works together is often missed. So you're getting like a one sentence answer in most cases, and, not as much information as you would like. And I think parents are not looking for that. I don't think they're wanting just another piece of advice. They can literally Google that or look on ChatGPT. But I think people are really wanting someone that can help them make sense of all the advice. There's so much information out there, and to ask you to become like a mini doctor and spend your life filtering through hours upon hours of research recommendations, influencer recommendations, your best friend, your mother, your dog, someone next door, whatever, is absolutely crazy making. And I believe parents need someone that can filter through all of that and help them make sense of all of this advice. And that's what I'm here to do. When parents join my practice, we're going to talk about your kid, your health history, your goals, your stressors, their sleep, their nutrition, your family's sleep and nutrition, what we're doing with outdoor activity, what are we doing with lifestyle, what are we doing that we might need to supplement. I'm basically here because I want to understand the story that is behind the symptoms, or the story behind how I can prevent symptoms from happening, okay? So like a recommendation that makes sense for one child may not make sense for another at all, okay? So y'all know this intuitively, because it's like when you go out and like everyone's telling you to do something, but your intuition, your mommy or daddy intuition is like, that's not what we need. That is you knowing that a recommendation that makes sense for one child does not make sense for another. And that is why I want you guys to know about the middle path philosophy. Most parents don't need someone to scare them. They literally need someone to guide them.